Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with Epicure. So it is month end. It is April 30th, okay? So the month is ending, and I just would like to bring your attention to something that I think you guys should be looking at. You don't have to look at it every day, but it does kind of help to help you guys make some extra money. And that is to make sure to go under your reports tab. So when you log in, it will look like this, okay? So then you want to go up to these three lines, the upper left-hand side, click those under reports, and then it will show you this. I'm telling everybody this because I didn't even know this had existed when I had first signed up for Epicure for probably 6 months because I just simply wasn't told. Yes, I could have looked through everything, but I just simply didn't have time for that. So I want to make it easier for all of you guys. So I'm telling you guys to look here because I had just looked. I typically look at my reports at least once a week, like just to see how things are. I am happy that I did because I had noticed that I was about $25 away from becoming, or I'm sorry, not becoming, because I did maintain it last month, but from keeping my executive consultant status. Okay, so right here, I'll talk about the different ranks in a second. But I was $25 away, so I just simply placed an order for, I think it came to $27.88. But that to me meant that I can make extra commission plus maintain that for me. Now, ranks, I mean, you don't have to maintain them. You know, like it's not something where you have to feel pressured to spend like $500 of your own money, right? Like that's not what I want to happen. But if you're like $25 away, purchase something because that could mean, as I said, that you're making extra commission. So why not? I use Epicure for myself like every day. So I don't mind purchasing something that I know that I'm going to use anyway. Plus, I do like to have a little bit in stock because since I moved to St. Thomas, there are people here that are great customers, but for some reason, they don't want it shipped to their house. They would prefer that I purchase it and then they pick up from me. So I'm finding here that I have a little bit more in stock because people will actually purchase it. So I don't mind doing that. But if I didn't look and didn't see this, then all that means is that I would be making less commission when if I had just spent $25 more, okay? And this will also show you that if you have a team, this will show you sort of how your team is doing at the same time. It's a little bit easier if you go up here into my team and then click that, and then it kind of shows you like per person. Because if you have a lot of people under you, it does help to be a leader for them, you know, so then that way if they have any questions, if you need to quickly send them a message and say, hey, like, did you know you are literally like $25 away from getting an extra 3% commission, you know, like, is there anything that you want to purchase, or is there any customer who might have said, oh, I want to order, but I'll let you know at the end of the month or something, right? But I'll show you guys the different, how you can look up the different plans that we have. Click on the three lines. I believe it's under business tools. If you guys go to new consultant, start here. We have a new compensation plan. So click that right here, you guys. So just to show you, so it will actually show you guys sort of what you need to maintain your levels. But as I said, you guys, this isn't something that you have to do if you don't want to. Like, I don't want people to spend an extra like $600 a month when they wouldn't have planned to spend that anyway, like just to make an extra, let's just say 3% in commission. It's not worth it. There are consultants that probably do that, like just to sort of get that title. It's not worth it. But if you just have to spend, say, $25 more to make an extra 3% more commission, you're making more money, and who doesn't want to make more money, right? So just to show you guys again, I'm right now the executive consultant. So that would be down here, you guys. So you would start off, of course, as a consultant, and then a senior consultant, a VIP consultant, and then the executive consultant. So just to show you guys, um, this is when you can start making money on your teams. So you make 3% compensation on sales of all team members. So yes, the more people you have on your team, you do make some extra commission. And why not? Because if you're helping them, hey, why not make some extra money for that, right? But yes, I believe it's executive consultant. They have changed this, so that's why I'm just kind of reading it myself. But it's kind of nice too, because even I believe it's at the senior consultant. So even at the senior consultant, actually, I'm sorry, I take that back. You will make a 25% product discount pretty much as soon as you sign up for Epicure. All the way at the executive consultant too, it's the same thing. So 25% commission. But then once you become a leader, it's even more than that, and you just get a lot more. You might be thinking, whoa, to become a leader, that's not going to happen to me. No way. I can tell you guys, I thought the same thing. But look over here again. If I go up to my reports, I'm so close. I'll be honest, I've been so close since like Christmas, and it's now the end of April. So yes, I could kind of push that a little bit further. I could become a leader if I decided to spend more of my own money, but I don't want to do that. The whole point is to have happy customers, right? So I have been working hard. I've been uploading more videos on YouTube to hopefully get in some more customers. And you do also have to have a certain amount of team sales also, right? So just take the time. I will probably upload this PDF into the Facebook group now, actually. Take the time to just kind of look through everything, because you would be very surprised at how things can kind of happen quickly. Even if you don't have a team now, in like a month, you could just all of a sudden have 3 people on your team, and then it's kind of nice to know these different levels so you can kind of work towards that, because now more than ever people are online purchasing food products, or products to help them cook. Now is the best time to really spread the word about Epicure and let people know, you guys, that yes, we make money selling Epicure. All we have to do, if we keep it simple, is post our cooking class link online. Whoever decides to order from that for the month, you make 25% commission off of every single sale. It could be maybe $200 a week or $200 a month, but that $200 you would not have had otherwise, just by posting a link. So definitely check this out. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you are watching this and you would like to be a part of my team, I do have a link for you guys on the bottom. Ask me questions anytime, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.